Welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. You have to try these delicious zucchini protein muffins. Low carb and gluten-free, they're simple to make and you can bury that pesky hunger while maxing out your nutrients. Changing your eating habits can change your overall health. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can find many more recipes at bnmulti.com and join the BN Bariatric Facebook group for a wide range of topics related to your weight loss surgery journey.